Hello, friends. Have you ever wondered how we, humans, will one day reach distant stars? After all, the universe is infinitely large, and the speed of light, the cosmic speed limit, makes us travel for years, even centuries, just to reach neighboring planets. But what if I told you that there is a fantastic idea that will allow us to bypass this rule? It is about warp drive. Today I will tell you how we, humans, can create this miracle, and what our first historical experiments will be like. What is warp drive? Many people think that warp drive is just a very fast-flying rocket. But no, everything is much crazier. According to Albert Einstein, no material body can move faster than light. But there is a trick. Space-time itself can be compressed and expanded at any speed. In 1994, physicist Miguel Alcubierre proposed a theory. Imagine that the space in front of a spacecraft is compressed, and the space behind it is expanded. The spacecraft is in a kind of safety bubble. The ship does not move, but space itself is pushing it forward. You can get to a place faster than light without violating the laws of physics. How will we create it? For you and I to see a real warp drive, we need to solve two huge problems. 1. Exotic matter. We need a substance with negative mass, or energy, to be able to expand space behind the spacecraft. 2. Immense energy. According to initial calculations, we needed energy equal to the mass of the planet Jupiter. But modern physicists have already reduced this requirement to a few hundred kilograms. We are getting closer to the goal. First tests. How will it be? Well, let's move to the future. Imagine the day of the first test. We will not start with a huge spacecraft. The first test will be with a small, unmanned probe, in Earth orbit or behind the Moon, to be safe. Scientists will turn on the power source. On our screens, we will see how the light around the probe begins to bend, creating a unique optical illusion. This is a sign that space has begun to bend. Suddenly, the probe will disappear from the cameras in an instant. Not because it exploded, but because it has already traveled millions of kilometers and appeared in the orbit of Mars in just a few seconds. Everyone in our control center will start screaming and hugging for joy. It will be the greatest achievement in human history. Of course, this is still a theory, but science does not stand still. Maybe our generation will see that first test with its own eyes. What do you think? Will humanity be able to tame space and time? Or will this remain just a dream? Write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next space journey. Until next time.